Hi, today I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. Um, I learned today I learned something today, and I think this is really um, I'm really thankful from that I can still learn from this of web development. So what I did was, yesterday I made a bundler and I put a lot of feature like source map. What else? Let's see. Source map, adding cache and adding HTTP server, and it was really good. But the thing is that the code quality was really bad. Was is really bad. Yeah, was really bad. Just I'm gonna show you the code that I wrote. Wait, hold on. So look at this. How can I? Wait, hold on. Yeah. So if you look at this code. Look at it. Look at this part. This red thing. The problem of this is there's no function of it. There's no separated because the reason why I emphasize the function is because we can separate the fetcher by function. Example, this function should do something, and this other function do something. But the thing is that I wasn't able to do it because I just putting the lot of fetcher on it. But I had a lot of time on it, so I was like, why don't I make it I refactored but make it reusable? I and and the thing is that the meaning of reusable is making my own bundler. So when I'm trying to use it, use like use um some kind of frame. If I try to make new framework, I have to write a bundler, right? So why don't I make it into library? And this is what I did. And not I did not make a library thing, but I just refactored to make it reusable. So I'm gonna explain the code of it. Hold on, I'm thirsty. So let's see. Merlin's bundler. Is a Merlin bundler is a bundler that uses just HTML, Facebook, Haste motor system under the hood. So it just it's just really simple because the bundler process. There's a bundler process. If you look at the bundler process, there's collection, making a dependency graph and transformation and optimization. And I use collection and dependency graph, just haste map or just resolver, and transformation on the bubble, and optimization I use tensor for the minification. What else? I forgot it. I also use hash on the resource name on it. So so I refactored the previous code was really dirty. If it's TypeScript, it's gonna be more reusable. So look at this. So I bundle it. So there's a bundle function, right? But there's a four step we just saw, and the collection of it collection of it after collection, and we create dependency, and after creating the dependency we transform it into transpiled code, and after that we use optimization of it. So I use Tensor for it. Tensor so the Tensor is just like trying to decrease the uh how decrease your line of the code. The reason why is even the blank is part part of the file. The thing is that you have to understand file is a resource, and if the line is big, the browser will not able to browser will if the line is really small, browser will able to read it faster than the line is really long. So that is why we use Tensor, because to optimize it. Because if you're trying to do the HTTP request, and the more lighter third resource is, it means that the faster we can get. So just ignore the cache control or other thing. And this is why we need the minification, and I use cursor for the minification. And the another thing what I learned was, I didn't make a new PR request on it. What I learned was here how to improve performance. I look at it, and there's the gzip on it. I was like, what is gzip? I never saw that. I never tried it. Because I'm using Bursa right now. Yeah, I'm using Bursa right now. If I try to deploy, if I click deploy, everything is gonna work. Cache control, and even minification, and even compression. And the gzip means that compression. So I was like, oh, that's interesting. So let's look at my service, and let's look at the network tab on it. And 1, 2, 3, boom. Let's look at the headers. Cache control, there's cache control, and look at the content encoding. Content encoding. So content encoding is, I forgot it. So it just like it will give the server, we're gonna give encoded type, and browser we're just gonna decompress it while streaming. This is what I learned. So BR is just type of compression. Gzip, BR, I forgot it. The others. I forgot it. GG deflate BR GST, but I think BR, we commonly use BR because Next.js is using BR. So BR it's just type of the compression that Google use. So what I did was, hold on. I tried. So what? Sorry. What I'm. So I tried to make BR minify compress, but I don't know how does it gonna work, because so my question was, if I send BR type, is the browser is able to translate into JavaScript? Is example, if the file name the end is BR, so is browser trans BR to JavaScript or delete this? And I didn't figure out right now because I had no time of it. I think tomorrow I'm gonna figure out it. So I learned something. I really literally learned something. And I think this is really important, because the compression type, and this is, rather than, I thought compression means just like JavaScript into JavaScript, like the image compression is PNG to PNG and JPEG to JPEG. I thought JavaScript is also same like that, but it wasn't. JavaScript HTML, it just can transform into BR. I forgot the BR stands for. Content encoding BR. What was the BR meaning? Brotil. Yeah, is the brotil. Represent header list, the encoding applied. So this is really interesting. Really interesting. Yes, and this is what I learned today. So tomorrow I'm gonna talk about BR more. So, but after talking about BR, wait, hold on. I wrote the README to do something. Put gzip on it, like brotil. Put compression on it, and yeah. After that, I'm gonna put tree shaking feature on it. After that, I'm gonna put code splitting on it. Tree shaking and code splitting gonna be difficult, I know, but it's worth it. I know there's an interview on the next week on the Thursday, but I think it just, I don't know. I'm just preparing. Yeah, this is how I prepare the interview. Just digging more and trying to make a story of it. So this is so uh never mind. So tomorrow, let's see how it goes on the tomorrow. So bye bye.